guys. So unfortunately I am out for the next couple days. Had to get a couple stitches in my leg, but all good. Michael just finished up his set. I just finished up some breakfast, and we're gonna have a Filipino show us around town a little bit more, take us to some pretty cool places here in Naga. So let's go check it out.
Hi, am I on camera?
No.
That is a private property.
Oh, yes! Oh my God. Okay, so we just rocked up to the gas station to meet. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? What up, boy? How are you guys? Hello, hello, hello. Anyways, we went to the gas station, but every day we get here, this is like our favorite coffee guy here. And then JB has bubble tea parties. Is it a bubble tea party? Every single day, JB comes and buys everybody bubble teas, and we call it a bubble tea party. It's super, super fun. Let's get one more bubble tea! Bubble tea! I'm also gonna get a coffee. So everybody else was bubble tea in. I went with black Americano. Let's try it out.
Black like your soul.
Nice.
Check out our new channel. Mike.
Thanks, guys. Bubble tea! We got Floridian in town too. What's up, bro? Let's go to the waterfalls.
Hell yeah.
Wukash. Yes, sir. Let's go to the waterfalls. What'd you get here?
Some
Spring rolls?
spring rolls, yeah, sweet sauce.
Nice.
That's sick, bro.
Heck yeah, baby. Coming to the waterfall with us?
Yep.
Fuck yeah. How's the spring roll?
It's very, very good.
My favorite thing in the Philippines.
Wukash hooked it
Give
up.
me a little peek in there. Oh, it's nice. Thanks, Wukash.
No problem, enjoy.
Okay, looks like we rounded all the troops. Now we're heading to the waterfall. Okay, we just rocked up to BJ's house. BJ, my man. What's up, G?
I'm gonna grab my stuff and let's go.
Let's do it. Thanks, BJ. We're going to check it out.
Welcome to my humble
This is my man right here, dude. Oh, this is super nice,
This is my
bro.
room.
His room?
Okay. Ma, where are you?
Hi, what's up? You ready to go to the waterfall?
Yeah.
Where's
Ani?
Go.
This your whip, BJ?
Out.
The Suzuki. Oof. Is it fast? BJ sells a lot of apparel. One of the things is tambay. Tell him what that is.
Itambay means from nothing to something, my
From
man.
nothing to something. This boy is a legend in town. He's got an awesome business. If y'all guys are ever in the Philippines or Naga, be sure to check him out.
The dope stuff.
The dope stuff. We'll go to a shop later just to show you guys a shop too.
So, hi, am I on camera?
No.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day.
Let's look for some spring rolls, and we found some noodles and spring rolls.
Yeah, we all lost you and then Annie ended up at food.
Always.
I do have a plastic.
What was this again?
Turon.
Turon, which is basically
Banana. It has banana inside.
And then
Wrap
fried.
it with lumpia wrapper.
nice. Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hey, man. Are you grabbing some Red Bull?
Dude, you got the coolest little Red Bulls ever.
That's so sick, man.
We don't have those in the States.
My man, let's go, baby. What's up, boys?
That is a private property, so we can go there. So we must take the way out here.
Okay. Okay, BJ just brought us. Looks like we're at a coconut farm. Do a little hiking through this place and find a
This is
waterfall.
also a private place, but we can.
We're just
talk
gonna do
to
it
the
anyways.
Owner.
Nice, BJ. Thanks for the loaner spot for all the helmets.
I was like,
Thank you. Your helmet is safe here, man.
How's the flow, Flo?
good.
Let's go talk to the owner, then it's time to go to the falls.
Hello.
Ano, dani? Hanap na lang lagod ka mo, may malusutan ka mo.
Bye-bye. What'd you find, BJ?
It's a wakeboard from the Philippines, bro.
Nice. Hey, you're good.
Bro, I think
Put your hand on there.
the wire will
Jump in, quick, go.
kahoy.
Okay, we're in.
You're so sick, bro.
Me too. I have stitches in one leg right now, so.
I think the under is.
Go, go, go.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Tiny.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Nice.
Yeah, low.
Nice.
You're okay.
Bro,
Nimble like a cat.
Meow.
Bareback. Oh, fat boy.
You're good. You got plenty of room on your back.
oh yeah.
Fat American.
That's great. Okay, let's go. There's a path. Apparently, we have to go in here. It's tricky. And watch out, the rocks are getting very slippery.
Okay, it looks like we're getting pretty close to the waterfall. Obviously, you can see a lot of the water rushing there. Still trekking through this pretty rough jungle.
Pretty rough jungle. What's the bathtub? My hands and just taste it, but
Not bad. Getting closer. Oh! You okay, Annie? Yeah, BJ. What do you think, Cap? This is insane. I'm stuck on this rock. I feel like I have leeches all over me too. Crazy. They made it. Oh, dude, we made it.
baby.
Yeah, BJ. Sick. Not bad.
Let's go.
Not bad. She did all that with 2 stitches in her leg. JB gave her piggyback rides through most of the water so I could film it. He's a really nice guy.
Yeah,
How was
very
that?
nice. It was a little intense at one point.
Bro, this place is tight.
Made it, bro.
We made it. Should I go jump in?
I think.
Holy. Try to go swim underneath the waterfall.
I think I can go there. Oh yeah, my man.
My man.
Oh yeah.
How is that, bro?
So it's a bit cold right there.
Okay, we made it.
Bro.
Yeah, boy. Guys, I'm following you in, bro. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see anything. Yeah, we made it. Oh yeah, we're in. Whoa. Tarzan! Ho, 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 ho.
Alright guys, so we just got back from the waterfalls, cleaned up a little bit. We're about to head back into Naga and meet up with our buddy for some dinner. Go check out his shop, see what that is like, and maybe grab a couple things while we're there. And let's do it in my Lightning McQueen helmet. Let's go! Alright, so we just got to M Plaza and we're gonna go check out his shop and maybe grab a thing or two. Let's see what he's got.
My man.
What up, dude?
How old are you, BJ?
I'm 20 years old.
20 years old.
Holy
Owns his own shop.
excuse my
I
language.
think I'm gonna shop around a little bit in here maybe buy some stuff. I guess since this one's the last one, let's get one of those, BJ.
It's a toha.
Is that made here in the Philippines?
Yeah,
or?
It's a made in the Philippines.
So this is very similar to what you get in the States, like a puff bar. We're gonna try it out. Some other foreigner came in and bought a bunch of these, so I got the last one. Nice. We're gonna hop in BJ's Suzuki. He's gonna grip it and rip it to dinner for us.
Why, thank you.
Hopping in the Suzuki. He tried to lock me out, but
Sorry, bro. That's the restaurant I used to work before. Eating a good quality products and foods.
oh, this place is sick. Wow, wow, wow. What's up, Philippines? These are a couple local dishes that BJ introduced us to. Beef
Salpicao and sauteed chicken.
Salted chicken looks pretty familiar. Fried chicken looks amazing. Told him to
This
make
is
it
like
spicy.
teriyaki.
Teriyaki. It's spicy.
Yeah.
And it's spicy, which is
Oh,
amazing.
that means I can't eat it. No.
But this, I believe we made non-spicy for you. You could try it. And
I think this is spicy too.
nice.
I can handle it.
Perfect. Let's try it. That's fire. That's really good. After a long day of hiking through the mountains, we all grabbed a couple beers. Salud. Cheers, people. Oh man, we just finished up a full day. BJ, thank you again. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Later,
I'll see
brother.
you soon.
So much fun. Hey,
Thank you
maybe we'll
for
see you tomorrow. Who knows?
See you tomorrow, bro.
Later,
Bye.
guys. Drive safe. Oh yeah, babe.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Days, no more sunny days.